Congratulations on your investment in Caraco's Nutritech Deluxe Air Purification System. Please take the time to thoroughly read your owner's manual to help you understand how your unit works and for important information on periodic maintenance. To get started, open the box and remove the styrofoam packaging, which contains the instruction manual and power cord. Lift the unit out of the box by grasping the handles on each side. Then remove the plastic bag. Now open the cabinet by grasping the outside of the door near the top and gently pull the door toward you. Lift up and raise away from the unit. The 3-stage pre-filter is located on the back of the door. Remove by pulling the cartridge pull tab towards you. Remove the plastic wrap and place the pre-filter back into the door panel. Next, remove the 5-stage main filter by pulling the pull tab on the cartridge toward you and discard the bag. Reinsert the main filter by setting the bottom in first and push the top in as far as it will go. Make sure that the airflow arrow on the top of the main cartridge points towards the inside of the unit. Slide the door onto the cabinet slots on the bottom of the unit and gently push the top of the door into the unit until it clicks in place. When choosing a location for the Nutritech system, keep the following in mind. Position the system close to a power outlet and make sure that the cord is positioned in a way that does not create a trip hazard. Place the unit in a location on the floor which allows air to circulate freely around and into the front louvers and out the top grille. Please note, avoid placing anything on top of your unit. It will restrict airflow and small items could fall through the grille and damage the fan. Plug the connector end into the back of the system and the plug end into a properly grounded power outlet. Attention! Do not use the Nutritech system if the power cord is damaged. Replacement cords are available from Caraco. The Nutritech system is operated via the electronic control panel located at the top of the unit. Press the power button once to turn it on. The unit will go through a self-check procedure and then start operating on speed 3 and automatically activate the ionizer. Press the power button once to turn the unit off. Your Nutritech air purifier features a capacitive control panel that only requires a soft touch. Use the tip of your finger to gently activate each function. Do not press hard or use your fingernail. If the unit is operating or in standby mode and suddenly loses power, it will return to its previous setting once the power is restored. Please note, if the unit will not turn on, check to make sure the power cord is securely plugged into the back of the unit and the wall. Check to see if the front panel is properly closed. If the unit still will not turn on, try resetting the safety switch. Unplug the unit, open the cabinet, then insert the eraser end of a pencil into the opening several times until you hear the switch click. Then replace the door. When the unit is operating, turn the speed control knob in a clockwise direction to increase the speed. As the speed increases, the corresponding indicators will light up. Turn the speed control knob in a counterclockwise direction to decrease the speed. When operating at the lowest speed, only one indicator will light up. Press the sleep button to activate sleep mode. When sleep mode is activated, the lights on the control panel will turn off, except the power indicator, which will remain a dim blue. Press any button on the control panel or turn the knob to deactivate. Remove tough odors from your air using the Nutritech's deodorizer function. Pressing the deodorizer button once will illuminate the first indicator and continuously run in 15-minute cycles. Pressing the deodorizer button for a second, third, and fourth time will cycle through a 2, 4, or 24-hour time setting. Pressing the button for the 5th time will deactivate the deodorizer. Please note, only use the deodorizer function when people and pets are not in the room. If you find that your unit's ozone feature isn't working as well as it should, it may be time to replace the ozone generation coil. Replacing the ozone coil is easy and only takes a few minutes. First, make sure your unit is unplugged. Next, remove the 4 screws using a Phillips screwdriver. Then disconnect the coil by pressing the tab on the wire connector. Finally, plug in the new ozone coil and replace the 4 screws. The Nutritech system has a fully controllable ionizer feature, which releases negative ions into outgoing filtered air to help the air purification process. The ionizer is automatically activated when the unit is turned on. To deactivate the ionizer, simply press the ionizer button and the corresponding indicator turns off. When it's time to clean your filter, the filter check light will illuminate. To clean the cartridges, simply remove them from the unit and vacuum. The pre-filter is also washable, but make sure it has fully dried before replacing. You can clean the cabinet with a soft brush or wipe it down with a clean, damp cloth. The cartridges will need to be replaced after approximately 1 year of use. You may need to replace your cartridges more frequently if you are in an environment with pets or smoke. After replacing the cartridges, hold the filter check button for 5 seconds. The indicator will flash 4 times and beep twice, meaning that the timer has successfully reset. Again, we congratulate you on your decision to improve your quality of life by breathing fresh, clean air in your home or office. If you have any questions or concerns or need to order replacement filters or parts, please contact your local distributor or Caraco's Customer Service Department.